in a real life, any boy say Alkaline album fuck with them suck good in a real life. So
a few moments later.
Yo, I listen to Alkaline album. I'm not telling lie. I'm proud of them. Alkaline. I'm proud of your youth.
2,000 years later.
Vendetta album, Alkaline album. Better way. Come here, we go listen to the album. Yo, the man are going to old school Alka and new school Alka. Yo, the man album tough. Yo, man.
Mad thing.
May I represent for one Media Fox. Media Fox. How are the latest news them lock?
You don't know Media Fox, you know. Yeah, man, you know what things said. People, remember, tune into the album. Because we see what the haters them are doing, you know. But let me tell you this, them don't even know, say, the more them hate and more the album get powerful. Come and see a bag of people are followed. You know, just go on, you know, because you don't know music, you know. You know, can't stop good music, dog. No matter how you want to try bring down the album or whatsoever. But no matter what you say, I hate everybody I talk about. I hate the girl them I dance to. You can't say what you want to say and make up this, because we don't know Alkaline, I'm not going to hate. I just that because if I'm a favorite artist drop the album, no negative and nothing wouldn't do dead towards it. They would have say, yo, I bought this thing. But we know you go to work, see me. So people, look at now. Support the album, buy and stream. You understand? Because everybody in a life get a hate at a time. But don't watch that. You understand? Watch your clothes. We are past the clothes. Make the family proud. You understand? So yeah, man, big up everybody we are support Media Fox. You see it? Yeah, man, big up on yourself when you don't know. No matter which fans you know forward from. Because you know I listen. Me know that. You know I listen, and sometimes you might be not like what Media Fox at all. But you know we go to work already. You understand? So look here now. A bag of people forward out and attack a bag of things about the album. You understand? People are listen. Because them feel like say when them listen something one time, them can listen one time and say, yo, this, I know some music work. So when you listen more, you listen to more, you understand. You think you see something sometime, one time, and feel like say, how much time you watch movies? And then you watch it today and then you watch it all next year. And then you watch a movie and you realize, wait, at this, some never see this. Because you watch it and see, but you just not understand where you're going. So when you listen to some music and say, all right, yeah. But you now meditate the music. And that's the problem, and that Alkaline music grow. You have to listen it more than one time. You can't stay there, yeah? And that me I tell you, I'm going to save it, much song out of this creep up. And that me I tell you. So people, I could go in a video and make you know hear what go on.
Yo, I listen to Alkaline album. I'm not telling lie. I'm proud of them. Alkaline. I'm proud of your youth. You give you songs, good songs, and good music. And you give you consistency now in terms of music. First you drop a single with you, you come drop an album. You see me, I don't think I talk about better. So the people hear me across the artists, them better, I call more music for listen to better. And I like some love listen to a bunch of different artists better. If the artists are bad better, I listen to a couple of the artists. So we say
I know why worst thing people, the consistency thing, seeing them not realizing, bro. It's you could have put out 200 songs in a brother. You know mean say 200 I got it, you know. Because over the years, them not even know if Alkaline did any work on the album or might do some other things. There's more to music than just releasing music. You understand? Because you just don't want to release, just a release music and just dash it what's up. And I just look some YouTube views and all of them little thing there. You understand? You have to build something and project and every little thing. You see it? It's more to music. You see me? But the album tough. Buy and stream it.
All them new sound and the whole of them sound like Tommy Lee, brother. Tommy Lee, Wolf, Tommy Lee, Pitney, brother. I don't have time for you to listen to them thing, brother. Yeah, they make a not even can't tell the difference, brother. You see me? So Alkaline, brother. Congratulations on the album. Congratulations on the Barclays Stadium. You see me? Congratulations to a brand new 2026 starting bright and alright. You see me? All Alkaline fans them supposed to happy. You see me? I'm happy, dog. I'm happy to brother cause the music, I say brother. I see the man push the music and I do the work. You see me? So I'm not take down from the G. Big up yourself. Big up yourself, get a youth. Yeah, you come from fucking far. They know who you are. The man can smoke a slice.
Yeah, man, I say go people. Album tough. Because to be honest, people, man, not lie. The album, man, not lie, brother. Amount of people we talk about this album, man. I tell you, enough album dropping a dancehall. I mean, I see enough people pick it up. You understand? So you might have you see the haters forward out. Say a bag of thing. You know, all kind of them favorite artists, so we understand. And you have some people with this and that because them not really listen music, we understand. They just listen music, boom. Them prefer run with it's crash. Them type of song there. But them not, them hear that them want to catch it on some shaggy thing, yeah, that them run with. You understand? But Alkaline music, a quality thing. You have to sit down and meditate, catch your vibes. Let me tell you what you do, people. Take the album, and any journey you go, just play the whole album in your car and drive. And when you drive, just come tell me in your comments what's your experience. Just take the album, play in your car, and you go on a long journey and tell me what your experience. Trust me, with the bass a kick. Yeah, man. Just play it. Now watch your face, just play it and see what go on. Play it, just play it. Play the vibes and all the vibes. I want to see what happen.
If all the reason there. You see, pre. Yo, Vendetta album, Alkaline album. Better way. See a little man, I say, yo, the album are trash. You see me? None of the song them, no go over 5 out of 10. Him say Emotions are one of the biggest songs. I think I see him Umbre say too. Emotions, what's spoken when Emotions just drop. I'm just saying I could go harder. You see, pre. But yo, that aside, our people make a reason. Come here, we go listen to the album. Yo, the man are going old school Alkaline, new school Alkaline. Yo, the man album tough. Yo, the man have Aurora, the man have Masterpiece. All the wet song, body of fuck. The only thing about it, you must say, fuck a girl and not show if she underage or she the right age. You could just keep all the line of song, song. The man album tough.
Yo, them man just run the bag of negativity, bro. Actually, brother, let me tell you this. It's because Alkaline release it, make them attack. So, make a them favorite artists do it, it would have be a different reaction. You understand? But make them go and talk. You see more them eat and talk about it, and more people will love music, listen to it, I go realize that the album tough. You understand? Because enough of them, man, them not really meditate music. You see me? Them run with TikTok things and hot songs and all of them little thing there. Yeah, that's what them run with. Them not really run with quality music. You see me? Yeah, cause some motivation song upon the album and thing. But choose some song where them expect them for hear, because to me this album is a different thing with Alkaline right now. It's just a different thing. But let me tell you, no worry themselves, make them go and talk, man. You see me? Yeah, man.
Better ladies. You know, one thing with album. If you got one album, enough girls song upon album, some 8 songs. Yeah, man. Better way, man. Alkaline album tough.
Yeah, man. The enough girl wet tool and or roping and you understand? A lot of things. A lot of girls song on this. When IRR or whatever, so it name. You see me? Tough. Yeah, man. Some bad girl song and when name? Good girl. Enough tough song on it, man. Masterpiece and a bag of thing. So make them go on. They don't know go that way I tell you. We just a laugh, you know, because them are haters. You see me when I do it fakers.
You know, when them go down one, you see pre. Then when I tell you show too, I see all the guys that fans them, I say, yo, yeah, copy art. Why is God that you come up about the club? Why he come up with it?
Yo, I don't know any dog. I just feel like said the man name just rate Alkaya, man. Brother, I don't know them man yeah. I don't know. The man name just love compare dog. Like the man name every day say cartel like bigger artist, but every day them get up and compare with Alkaline do the man. You understand? Like say, bro, what Alkaline I do is same thing every whole world I do, brother. You understand? Forwarding down from the stage, you don't know the little machine thing with them have a push up on the top of the stage, bro. Bina go on, bro. Bina go on, brother. You understand? Remember say Alkaline are international artists. You see me? Bro, we've been seeing this, bro. You see me? We've been seeing this, brother. Like, come on, dog. And it's a good entrance to Barclays Center, brother. Youngest dancehall artist to do this. The man want to get a different entrance, bro. You see it? And trust me, the entrance there with the youth, if you look on the picture with the youth take, like, I think him stoop and, yo, he mad. It tough, dog. I tell you, it look like a transforming move thing, like, you see it? Yeah, like a transformer thing. I saw me see it. It's a great entrance, bro. And for sure, yo, it even trick the people them. So it's like when the people them see the man forward up and see him, yo, the crowd just my feel say it's the right move. The right move the youth make this. So because enough people think them that walk for around at the back of the stage. It's a good look. You understand? It's a good look, that brother. You see me? And that entry, brother, is a worldwide thing, bro. You see me? Worldwide thing. You see me? So nobody now want to copyright to that, bro. You see me? Yeah, man.
We album stuff, solid can listen to. I'm not going to the right now. Until one side drop a secret. Yeah, man.
In a real life, any boy say Alkaline album fuck with them suck with. In a real life, that's how I beat them. Any boy say Alkaline album fuck with them suck with. The album tough, that man not care. Me the guitar.
Yo, them man they love music in the dog, you see me? So more while it even means them my G. I saw it go. Man say what them want to say, is it?
5 before I don't get a 8.5 above. The more I listen to it, the more I touch it. You see me?
So no here a while ago, people, him say him the guitar 5, now him guitar 8, and him say more him listen to it, the numbers are go up, so you know he soon reach 10 out of 10. I tell people, you know, these people don't listen to music. Them don't meditate music. You understand? And that's the problem. Them just listen to the chorus or listen to it, and then them skip, gone to a next song without even listen to the song more than at least 2-3 times. Them just move. And also you meditate, you have to meditate music and understand the lyrics and everything, brother. When you just listen music, if you say, oh, yo, this no sound right, you know, this, that. None of them thing there, brother. You saw him say a 5 him give, then know him give 8, maybe next video him do a 10. You understand? Him say more him look, more him listen to the album and more. A real thing, brother. I saw you listen music, you know, just listen music one time and just say you hate that. And I saw it work, dog. You see me? Because when you're there in your classroom, don't your teacher teach you the equation more than one time for you understand it. She not teach you one time and you just get it so some other time. Yeah, so I see him with music. You listen music more than one time. You see it?
That's some bad song on the bro, now it's like massive controversial line on there. But the album clean, bro. Bad sacrifice. Isn't it?
Yeah, man, sacrifice tough. It tough sacrifice. Different story, bad. Masterpiece stuff. Yo, man, I know. Yo, I don't even know, dog. Yo, you see when I left all work and I play all the album in a van, man. Brother, me reach out my yard fast. I tell you, me reach out my yard fast because I burn up road with the way the bass and everything and the lyrics and everything are kicking in, brother. Burn up road. I tell you, dog, the vibes, everything just dead, dog. You see me? I saw you listen music. And from the album drop, I just the album alone me I play in my vehicle. Just the album. So me I listen everything. It tough, brother. This our new Alkaline me I listen to, dog. To be honest, one new. Enough of them not doing it. Right now, I don't mind if one of them day me all go all country. And me just a rinse the album, brother. Me I reach country fast. Me I tell you maybe all police will stop me on the way. And me just say, yo, Popo, you know, say Alkaline album me I listen to. Buy and stream it. It tough. I me I go on, but all that thing I say a $2,000. And just cut gone album. Bro, the album tough people. I make them tell you nothing. I just say haters for them favorite artists. Them would say a different thing and the toughest thing. Cause you can't stop greatness, you can't stop music. But look what got me, understand? Just look what go on, people.
Graduate, them song the tough, bro. Any boy say album fuck with suck with mouth.
Everybody is talking about this song, but what about Masterpiece though? Masterpiece? Aura? Like...
Yo, people. So what me I talk about? The people that listen to the song. Cause I see, you see, more people that listen to them react to it. She has see the people that react to the good girl. But I make sure she go listen to the album and say, yo, Masterpiece, it tough. You understand? Girl song. Yo, no can go on, man. No can go on, yeah? No know powerful music and listening is. You see me? That in the real life.
Nice and festive today. Alkaline video them just they pop up everywhere. Me I enjoy myself, but me jealous. Deep down, me bad mind the people them go to America. Alkaline, you need to come to England. The side chick them are wait for you to come perform. Your side chicks are we waiting on you, Alkaline.
Yo, me not tell a lie, you know. The UK people them kind of feel jealous, you know. So, you know, when them see that Barclays Center there and the girl them a sing out, them feel away. Cause look here now, Alkaline did a Barclays Center last year, April, you know, I think the 17. Shell down in a Wellme Arena. It was the same thing, the people them a sing out like, you see me, but it look like they can't get enough Alkaline, me I tell you, cause them a watch the Barclays Center and the people might say, yo, you know, like, we need some of them show there. You see me, but I don't know if she did go the last one still. You see me, but I don't know, maybe through a last year, so you don't know, then maybe I say them need back a next one. You see it?
Please, come for the summer. We need you over here. You can't live free out Alkaline. That's not fair. That is not fair.
Congratulations to Alkaline and his sold out show in the Barclays. The details.
Yo, people, I not lie now. Yo, from where the people may I say this? Bro, where Alkaline get some big woman fans from? Eh? Yo, and them are different artists, you know. Alkaline about 32, you know. And you have some woman out there where some 50, 60-year-old are different. Them are listen to Alkaline. Them are vendetta people, man. I remember say Alkaline band with you know. And them people are big one, 60s and 50s, 40s, and them are rep Alkaline, you know. I tell you, sometimes about what that, I say, yo, Jaja, yo, then love her for vendetta boss. You see me? But she there, she attack, she a different artist, you see me?
No matter. The man sell off. Alright? Also, congratulations on the album as well. We love it. It's a 10. So, details aside, we the Vendetta fans love it. And we will support it. Alright? I don't have a problem with the Crooks or the Gaza or the Gully or Unruly or whoever them. I choose and I prefer the Vendetta movement.
Yo, don't tell you can't play with the Vendetta fans, them artists, you know. Them brag with them artists, you know. So she have brag with the album, she have support that, you know. Me have to big up the Vendetta fan them, the one where support the artist music. Cause no matter what hate the artist I get, them a forward out and them a support them artists. Same way them a ram up him, show them. You understand? Yeah, man.
Alkaline is marketable. He has the talent and he has the image, which a lot of us identify with. He moved from the underdog to the champion boy. He is now the key man. And he have the key for the city. He lock the city. So the people them who have the ADS, alkaline derangement syndrome, fill on a prescription because
Yo, the tell you, the fans them face your freak. No man say, yo, filling up prescription. All I know we are crash out over album and everything about album flap. Filling up prescription, man. Cha. Yo, woman I did it. Yo, don't play with it. Yo, don't play the big woman them and Alkaline, you know. They love off Alkaline. You understand? Then don't play with them artists. You see me?
he is winning right now and trust and believe. Him not even peak yet. So brace yourself. We have him back right through and we say, as we say, whoosh, we got you.
Yo, don't play the Vendetta people, man, the artists, me I tell you that. Don't do it. Don't do it, people. Allow them on the artists, because them come defend them artists and them go support them artists when you stay there. Yo, you see that you when you're Alkaline? No go on. That me I tell you no. Now go see what gonna pass and can't hold out. You can go on. Yeah man, see a bag of thing on this and that and you see what going. See what my Barclays Center? See my artist when you say fall off in 2016. I'm going to sell it out myself. But the artists, them want to see I run the place and the hot and the consistent and all of them little thing there. Me not to see them do no big move. And I represent dancehall on a big scale. So you can go and stay there, yeah? Go and trick the crowd. You understand? Can't trick we. Can't style. Now go work, no dig. So you can go on. Yeah man, go and dig. That me I tell them. But people, pick up on yourself. Remember, go stream the album. No pussy state, NTP. You done up on all platforms. You see me? Yeah man, I know things that are one media fox pan app. That is it.